Next assignment is Stcc graduation merge letter. Open up the boilerplate or the template letter or the start file, and also open up the graduation address labels. So open both files. With the access table, office addresses, if you see the list, it's a lot longer list, but it's the same title, first name, last name, address, one, city, state, zip code, and degree. So go ahead and save this. And with this letter, we're going to mention their first name and the degree. Let's start our letter with the date. First thing we should do is choose mailings and choose Start Mail Merge Letters. And now you can do the date. If you do the date first, it doesn't matter. Go ahead and choose the third option, OK, followed by 4 enters. And this would be where the address goes. But before we can do that, back to mailings, notice they're all grayed out. We have to go get the select recipients and choose use an existing list. This is the access graduation addresses, and now they're visible, so you can go ahead and continue. Let's go to the edit recipient list, and we'll go to sort, and we'll put it in alphabetic order by last name and first name, and then click OK, and it's in alphabetic order by last name. Click OK. This is where the address would go. Choose address block. Again, this is the default setting, which is perfect, so click OK. You can scan through them if you wanted, and OK. Enter twice. This would be the greeting line. Go ahead and select the punctuation. It should be the colon, and again, if you wanted to look at all of them, you can, and OK. And then we'll select the very first name here, so that we'll have the person's name specifically. Click Insert Merge Field and choose first name, and then select degree, and you actually want to have their degree, so choose Insert Merge Field and their degree. Make sure you have space before and after. I'm going to, on purpose, take a space out of here just to show you how to fix it. So we're going to go ahead and do our layout and page setup and choose center so that the letter is on the page in the middle of the document, so it's laid out perfectly. And I'm also going to get rid of the footer. So go ahead and choose Insert, Footer, and then just click Remove, so it's gone. All right, I'll go back to 100%. And we're ready to do our mail merge. So go to Mailings, Finish and Merge, Edit individual documents, all, and OK. Now watch how many pages will be here at the end. We started with 1, and after we do all the mail merge, there's 23 letters. So if you look, you'll see each person is an individual address, their names mentioned, and their degree. But do you notice there's a mistake, that no space after the comma, on all of them? So rather than fix every single one of them, just close out of here. No worries, don't panic, don't save, just close. It goes back to your boilerplate, and then what you would do is here is put the space in, and then just finish and merge, and OK, and then all 23 of them will be fixed. And there you go. That's a save and submit. Thank you.